What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We took advantage of a lot of great setups last month, but as we head into the new month, it looks like we're gearing up for some bullish setups once again. This is one I'm most excited for as we head into June, and yes, I'm talking about Tesla. We played this one a while back in the Discord, got in around 280 and sold for a 250% profit. Now it looks like we're right back at square one with the same setup forming again. Before we go into breaking down the chart, if you're new to swing trading or just want a refresher, I want to explain how I personally approach setups like this. Swing trading is all about catching the bigger moves. We're not scalping or day trading. Instead, we're holding trades for a few days to a few weeks, aiming to ride trends or breakouts with clean structure and momentum. With Tesla, for an example, I'm looking for 3 key ingredients before entering a swing. Number 1, let's start with clean structure. That's things like a bull flag, wedge, or consolidation zone. I want to see price respecting those specific levels. Number 2 is volume confirmation. I'm not just buying because it looks ready. I want to see buyers stepping in with real momentum, especially on the breakout candle. And number 3, risk/reward setups. I always define my entry, stop loss, and target ahead of time. If I'm risking $10 per share, I want at least 20 to 30 potential upside. In this Tesla setup, risking under 325 with a 350 breakout gives me exactly that. And remember, with swing trading, patience is key. Let the trade come to you. Don't chase like most people. Wait for confirmation, manage your risk, and stay consistent. All right, so now let's break down the chart. On the daily time frame, Tesla had that nice reversal back in mid-April after a pretty aggressive sell-off from January to March. Once it reclaimed that 260 to 280 zone, we saw buyers step in heavy and price push all the way up towards 350. Now, instead of just giving it all back, it's consolidating in a tight bull flag pattern, holding the gains, which is exactly what you want to see from a strong trending stock. Now let's get into key levels to watch. Let's start with support zones. First, we got that 325 level, which is basically the bottom of this current consolidation zone. Then, if that fails, I'll be watching 300 as the next potential bounce zone. Also a psychological round number and prior structure support. Now resistance, this 350 level is the top of the current flag and a key breakout level. If we break 350 with volume, my next target will be 380, followed by a possible move towards 400. Now let's do a recap of what I'm specifically watching for once again. For this setup to play out, I'm watching for a clean breakout above 350 with a solid daily close, ideally on above average volume. That would give me a confidence that bulls are still in control and we can see another momentum leg similar to the last one. But if we start breaking down below 325, I'll wait for either a retest of 300 or for buyers to step in again before making any other move. There's really no need to force a setup like this one. Just dropped my next trade setup in the Discord. We're taking June call options on this one, and I'm also grabbing some shares myself. Just a quick tip on options. Calls are a way to bet on a move without going all in on shares. You're paying for the right to buy the stock at a certain price before the option expires. If the stock pops, calls can explode in value, but if it goes nowhere, they can expire worthless. So manage your risk and don't over leverage. If Tesla can hold this bull flag structure and break above 350, we can see another explosive leg up. But of course, if we lose 325, we might see a pull back to 300 before any continuation. I'm keeping this setup high on my watch list for early June. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any more setups like this.